So hey there everybody, and welcome back to another episode. So on this episode guys, I briefly want to go over on why I'm going to be basically making $0 of profit whatsoever in all of 2020 with my Amazon FBA business. Now I know what you're probably thinking, like what the hell, you're going to make $0 in profit on your business, then why even do it, right? Well listen, what I mean by this exactly is like, guys, the main reason that a lot of new entrepreneurs, hustlers, business guys fail at starting a business is because, well, guys tend to make a little money and then they take it out and then spend that money on just a bunch of dumb crap that they really don't need instead of feeding their businesses, okay? Keeping the business alive. And this is a huge mistake that, just new entrepreneurs make. So me, I'm not gonna be doing that. And I'm just gonna keep reinvesting all my profits in 2020 and just letting my business to continue to grow, okay? So recently I've been paid from Amazon like 2 checks already, amounting to like almost $1,000. And I've already reinvested half of that money back into some more inventory. So I spent like $560 or so, or $530. I already received the shipment. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already seen that. But I received that shipment. I'm about to send it back out at the time of this video. So I'm reinvesting my business, okay? Reinvesting that money right back into my business. That way it can continue to grow, guys. Because if you don't let your business grow, how do you ever expect to, scale your business to the measures that you really wanted to get to, okay? And again, this is a huge mistake that new entrepreneurs are making, is just spending any type of profit that they make and just buying dumb crap like some Yeezys, some Supremes, all that stuff, just to flex on people for Instagram and whatnot. But you're not growing an actual business by taking profits right away, okay? This is why they say that when you start a business, you're going to be seeing no profits for the first 1 to 5 years, okay? And it's true, because if you really want to scale up your business, you can't be taking out any profits whatsoever. That's exactly what I'm doing in order to scale my business, okay? So down the road, like 10, 20 years, and maybe, buy some of that stuff, but maybe not even, because I really don't care about it, in all honesty. I'll probably just keep reinvesting it back and back and just letting my business to continue to grow, okay? So I want to send out this message to anybody who is starting any type of business whatsoever to please reinvest all your profits, okay? If you don't need the money right away, then it would behoove you to reinvest all that money, okay? Especially if you have a job on the side that's steadily paying your bills and whatnot. There's really no point in taking out any of the profits from your business, to buy more dumb crap that you don't need, okay? Instead, continue to grow that business, let it scale up, and eventually it will surpass what you're making at your current job. And therefore then, you can start taking out a little bit of money, but just continue to grow that business, okay? So again, I've already had that first inventory. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more money into my business, to make another shipment, to have more inventory come in, and then just have that shipment come out, and just continue to grow and grow and grow little by little, okay? Now the main goal for me right now is to at least start making at least $1,000 per month. Now that's not in profit, but that's just in sales in general, okay? Because currently I'm not making $1,000 yet per month. I'm making a couple like hundreds and here and there, But that's because with limited capital, I'm not able to continue to grow it at the pace that I wanted to, okay? So again, I will start scaling it little by little. Have another shipment come in, go out, take that profit, reinvest it, let my business to continue to grow. And that's exactly how you scale a business, okay guys? Something like this takes time, it takes patience, hard work, a lot of mistakes. Like there's so many, to be honest guys, there's so many mistakes I made in 2019 that honestly by the end of the year guys, I basically broke even, to be honest, okay? Even though I made some decent profit, I basically broke even after spending the money on my LLC, some equipment, actual inventory, making mistakes on some inventory that's just dead, or I made some bad choices, bad purchases and whatnot. So I barely broke even, and it took me, so long last year to now to where I've learned those mistakes. It's made me way more smarter with them. And now I don't have to make any of those mistakes in 2020 because I'm a bit smarter again. Because I've learned from all those mistakes and now I know exactly what to do. Well, maybe not 100% exactly, but it's made me more aware, it's made me more smarter, sharper. So it took all those mistakes to get to this point to where I'm actually going to start seeing a profit starting now. But again, I'm not going to take any of that profit whatsoever. I'm going to continue to reinvest it into more inventory and just let it grow. To be honest, I don't know how long I'm going to keep doing this because I saved for just this whole year, but I might just continue in 2021 and let it continue to grow even more. You know, I might just give it a whole 2 years by not taking any profit whatsoever. But again, who knows? Let's see what happens. As we continue to scale the business, you know, I'll try to post more on it. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, TikTok, you know, Twitter, Facebook, and all that good stuff, you know, go check me out. I'll try to leave some of the links down there in the description below. Again, I've been documenting a lot of this more and more, and it's actually really working because recently I've had old friends from high school who have actually messaged me about this business model, and it's amazing because I didn't even know about this business model when I got out of high school, and it took me years to even know what Amazon, you know, selling on Amazon was. And I've done that on eBay, but never on Amazon. So when those guys have been messaging me lately, I mean, I get back to them and, you know, start to explain to them because this might open a whole dimension to them as well, okay? Like, you never know, guys. When you follow somebody, you never know what you can learn from somebody. And hopefully, you know, I inspire some of those guys to take action, but in all honesty, they might not. But regardless, we're bringing the self-awareness, we're scaling the business, and it's going to be a killer 2020, all right, guys? So be sure to check me out, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's follow the journey, guys. I will be posting more content. It's coming. I've just been real busy with the kids, you know. My oldest daughter going to school, you know. I mean, it's just so much. But again, we're going to keep it going, guys. We're going to keep it pushing and just document. Whether it's here on YouTube, Instagram, wherever, we're going to document, okay? It's harder to do it here on YouTube because obviously the videos got to be a little bit longer. They got to be a little bit more edited compared to like Instagram where you can just take one, post it, which I might even start posting them on here. Let me know if that's something that might interest you guys as well, alright guys, in case you're not following me anywhere else. But regardless, guys, that's going to be it for the end of the video. We're just going to keep on hustling, get our sleep as well, you know, don't hustle too much. And yeah, guys, let's just continue to push the grind, alright? But that's going to be it for this video, alright guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.